Welcome back, children. Srinivasan here. We are discussing exercise 1.2 relations and functions, third problem. The question says prove greater integer function f defined from R to R, real number to real number, given by f of x equal to greater integer function x is neither 1 to 1 nor on to. We have to prove that it is neither 1 to 1 or on to, where integer function denotes the greatest integer less than or equal to x. Okay. Before starting this question, let us recall what is this greater integer function. Greater integer function, say for example, if you take 2.9, the output of this function will be 2. So it will be giving the greatest integer less than or equal to x value. Okay, 2 is less than 2.9. Okay, you cannot go for 3. Similarly, 2.1, the answer is 2. Still it is 2. 3.5, it is 5. So integer which is greater, but it should be less than this x value. Okay, children, which means what they are coming to say is you cannot take the value 2 as you are in 3.5. These are all integers. Okay, in this integers which is greater, you may have a doubt. Greatest integer, what does it mean, sir? So greatest integer, you have a lot of integers, right? In that, which is the greatest integer nearing the 3.5? This is the answer. That's why it is they have used the word greater. Otherwise you would have taken 2 or 1, something like that. Okay, children, from this itself we can understand, when you say in greater integer of 2.9 goes to 2, the answer is 2.1, the value is 2. So two elements 2.1 and 2.9 are having the same image 2, so it is not 1 to 1 function. Can you see that? 2.9 goes to 2, 2.1 mapping to 2, so two elements mapping to the same image, so it is not 1 to 1 function, but you have to show it in a proper way. Let us take in this question. The given function is f of x equal to greater integer of x. So from this we can start. F of 2.9, I will take the same example. 2.1 we will start. 2.1, which is greater integer of 2.1, which is equal to 2. Next I am taking 2.9, which is greater integer of 2.9, which is equal to 2. So f of 2.1 is 2, f of 2.9, they are equal, but 2.1 is not equal to 2.9. x1 is not equal to x2. Therefore, f is not 1 to 1 function. First part got over. Okay, children. Next we have to prove onto. The question says it is neither 1 to 1 nor onto. So it is not onto. The question says very clearly. So we have to prove that. Okay. So real numbers to real numbers. We know real numbers is a huge set which has all the numbers, right? Say for example 0, -1, -2, +1, +2, and decimal numbers 2.5, 3.5, something like that. The same is the case with your codomain. If you have seen my previous videos, you would have come to know the mapping, everything I have explained the previous sums. Okay, children. Now let us see that you take for example, whatever input you are going to give, whatever the domain element, you will be getting an integer as a output, because your the function is in greater integer function. It will convert everything to an integer. Say for example 2.1 is converted to an integer, 2.9 is converted to, so whatever be the input given, it will map only for the integers. Sir, what about these decimal numbers, or what are the rational values, what are the irrational numbers? There is no mapping. It maps only for the integers. Okay, children, it maps only the integers. So there are elements which are left behind. Extra elements are there. So when extra elements are there, we know it is not an onto function. So choose any one number from that. I'll let me choose 2.5 from the codomain. So 2.5 belongs to R. Here I mean R to R. Now I mean codomain. Let us consider 2.5 belongs to R, but that does not exist. But there does not exist. There does not exist any element x belongs to R. Here we mean domain, the input domain x belongs to R, but there does not exist any element x belongs to such that your f of x will map to 2.5. You cannot map anything to 2.5. It is left. This is one example we have taken. There are a lot of huge numbers are there. Okay, children, these decimal numbers will not get mapped. Okay, therefore f is not onto function. That's it, children. We have completed the question. Thank you.